Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Cascais, Portugal. And I don't know if I'm saying it right. It doesn't look like Cascais, but I think the person said it right. But we're going to go through Old Town, and I'm just going to wander with you, and you can see what Old Town looks like. Let's do it. Here we go. So it starts with the McDonald's, and you know that's always the way to start. So we'll go this way. And the person said to go down this road and turn right, and that should take you to Old Town. But he says you're in Old Town now. But it just gets more windy and more smaller, I guess. So, and it looks like they're getting set up for Christmas too, so that's nice. Cascais. Oh, here, I'll show you how to spell it. This is how they spell it right here. C-A-S-C-A-I-S. Cascais. Okay. If that's right, boy, I'm a learning man, I guess, but we'll see. And I've never been here before, and this is Portugal, and this is about an hour outside of Lisbon. And we'll see how this looks. And all the ground is this kind of flooring, which is kind of amazing, isn't it? I mean, that's a lot of work. And it's really a very small town. I think there was a palace and a castle, and I think majority of this is a wharf or a pier. And so you can see down this little street right here. It's kind of a windy little street, but this one he said was the major street thingy stuff. But we'll just go down here and see what we see. Cascais. Eat Thai food. There's a lot of little shops and stuff. It certainly is a cute little town, isn't it? And I love the ground. I think this is amazing. You know, they say it really aids people when they're drinking heavily and they need to throw up. This will get you right there real quick. That was a joke. Anyway, I won't give any more jokes then. Sheesh, people. Gandhi's place. Gandhi's palace. Giving him the runs. Oh, Eric, that was funny. Anyway, all right, we're not going there either. Okay. Thai massage, mini markets, and more little side streets. And I think there's a couple of streets here that equal Old Town. But I'm trying to make shorter videos so that they're not so crazy long, but so I'm trying not to make this way too busy or too long. Another little side street, and the art on the walls is really nice. Let's see. Cool. Oh, and there's the pier. Which way do we want to go? Let's go straight and see what's down that little street over there. I'll be right back. We gotta cross this street. Okay, bye. Be right back. Okay, and the street is lined with poinsettias, so it's really pretty, and the nice green grass and everything else. But all right, so we've managed to cross the street, and now we're going to this part, and we'll see what this little town looks like, or little side of town. Cascais. Cascais. Whatever. It's got tourists for sure. and cactus. And then look at this street. Now this one's different. It has X's on it. And lights too. Oh, we'll go this way. So in the corner over here is the port, and also the castle is over here somewhere. And a statue. Cute. The sun's bright. Oh, you want to know how much things cost? So starters, garlic bread, $4.80. Here's prices. Grilled fish. Boy, the fish is really pretty cheap. Tuna salad, specialties, assorted meats, Brazilian pizza, $9.90. Bolognese. Just so you have an idea. Oops, sorry. You know, the interesting thing is, this is the first time I've seen the sun since I've been here. Crazy. Oh, big tree. And more little streets. Huh. Oh, okay. Well, the main square is right here, I think. And it is bright, I tell you. And they got their little Christmas market set up over there too, which is cute. Cascais Visitor Center. And it's interesting on the tile. So they have the thin lines and they have the thick lines. So do you like it thick or do you like it thin? And then they have the Ferris wheel and the Christmas tree. Cool. Oh, let's go over here to the pier. And this building's kind of amazing. It has the tile work on the outside with every picture is different, which is kind of cool. You see what I'm saying? All the little, I mean, imagine you have to draw the tile, figure out what it's all going to look like, the whole thing, and then have to go create it, and then fire it, and then put it all together. So very cool. And so I think that's the palace right there, and then the castle's right over there, and here's like the little port and stuff. But you know what? I think I'm gonna end the video right here. You have a good idea of what things look like in Cascais. Okay, thanks for coming along, everybody. Bye-bye.